Okay, so good afternoon. Today is 13th of May and 17th May is the actual Ashoka examination. The examination is from 11:30 a.m. till 2 p.m. It's a 2.5 hour examination. What we know about the examination is that it's a center-based, computer-based examination in most of the major cities of the country. It's not OMR, it is not online from home. You will go to the allotted center and attempt the MCQs on a computer. The paper is objective, multiple choice. Two of the sections are compulsory, statistics and analytical reasoning. Then you choose either mathematics or economics, but I will be recommending all of you to choose economics. There is no interview in this cycle, so please don't waste these final days thinking about interview preparation. Very important. Ashoka has said on an official webinar very recently that currently there is no negative marking in the examination. So they conducted a webinar wherein they have given few important information. So they have said that there is no negative marking. If this changes, they will inform the students by email, they said. So your final authority is the official admit card and the exam email. Older Ashoka samples have had negative marking, but for 2026, the webinar says no negative marking. And the most important point, Ashoka clearly said the entrance examination is not the most important component. Your application form, essays, LORs, and academics matter, but the entrance gives your application the chance to be reviewed very seriously. Okay. Now, a few students were even asking me that Indian economy और पढ़ने की जरूरत है क्या for Ashoka. So this is not the CUET examination, okay, which is having a lot of breadth but no depth. Ashoka has a lot of depth in their examination, okay. So it's not a CUET type. It does not have Indian eco. It'll ask you very depth questions from economics when it comes to micro and macro. So that is what it is. So Ashoka is not CUET. CUET is the breadth examination. It will cover micro, macro, Indian economy, international trade, so on. Ashoka samples, I hope all of you have seen the sample papers that are already available on the EduSure website and solved all of them, and all the solutions are also there on our portal. Ashoka samples have repeatedly shown mathematical sophistication, probability and statistics, preference theory, optimization, and formal reasoning. Okay, so if you spend the last 4 days revising Indian economy facts, current affairs, matching the chronological, the CUET style, that's not what Ashoka is going to ask you. You need to be proficient with statistics and probability, analytical and logical reasoning, mathematical economics, and deep microeconomics, especially. Okay, especially topics like constraint optimization, conditional probability based theorem, lexicographic preferences, local non satiation, formal logic, and critical reasoning. These are seven very important areas which you should know. Okay. So today is basically a strategy session in order to ensure that you have a good Ashoka paper in the next few days. Okay. Let's list down the important areas which I basically just called out. So if I were to write them down, the areas which are extremely important for you to focus on: statistics and probability, especially. This section is compulsory, the statistics section in your Ashoka entrance examination. Okay. So it becomes very important. Then comes the reasoning section, which covers basically analytical and logical reasoning. Number three, math eco, which becomes a part of your eco area as well. Number 4 is deep microeconomics. Macroeconomics is also asked, but microeconomics is asked in more depth. Okay. Topics like constraint optimization, conditional probability based theorem. They have loved these topics. In micro, they like lexicographic ordering, they like local non-satiation questions. In logic, they like the formal logic, the table. You need to write it down in a table and then answer it. And critical reasoning. Which of the following is the most appropriate kind of questions? Okay. Would you like me to give you an overview about CUET and Ashoka? Many students were asking me about CUET and Ashoka. Okay. So I have already said CUET is an examination which has a lot of breadth. Ashoka has a lot of depth. Um, Trade, monetary, broad applied areas are visible in the CUET but not central in the Ashoka paper. Question style will be application, analytical, numerical, and formal reasoning for Ashoka. What I expect is Ashoka is a 150-minute paper, basically 2 hour, 30 minutes. Okay. I expect it to have 50 questions. Okay. They have said in the webinar no negative marking, but uh, we'll just have to just go in with an open mind and keep this thing also in your head, right? This opens the door to you being able to answer the entire paper. Okay. No negative marking agar hai in the paper, please do not do 40 or 45 questions. You have to do all 50 क्योंकि negative marking नहीं है. Okay. um Microeconomics areas I have already said. If you want me to write it down, let me put this in the. Hmm. So I hope you are able to see this. Um, let's increase the font size a little. Uh, okay. So microeconomics, this is the important areas: preferences, local non-satiation, welfare economics, general equilibrium style thinking. When it comes to statistics, what is the core? The core is basically probability inference based theorem distributions. Harder, older sample probability questions have been seen in the sample papers. Mathematics, optimization, calculus, linear algebra, mathematical reasoning. But please make sure that you are not attempting the mathematical section if you have taken coaching from us or you have studied economics. Please don't do the mathematical part, do the economics part. Reasoning, no formal separate reasoning preparation has to be done. Okay. You just have to practice this properly. Formal, analytical, and logical reasoning is a signature area. Best preparation style in the last few days: revise broad syllabus facts, definitions, solve, reason, optimize, infer, and eliminate. Eliminating options gives you an upper hand. As I said, every question, if it's 50 questions, 150 minutes, every question you have approximately 3 minutes time. But please keep a hard cutoff at 2 minutes Switching between the questions also takes some time. So give hard time, 2 minutes, when you stop solving a particular question. Okay. Uh, so once again, if I were to give the important areas for this Ashoka prep, I would go into, let me put up the list here. Constraint optimization, conditional probability base, lexicographic, formal logical reasoning of negation equivalence, contrapositive, critical reasoning, argument weakening, local non-satiation, preference and welfare economics, general equilibrium, order statistics, deeper probability intuition. Uh, these are a few questions which have appeared in the sample paper. So this is an analysis by looking at the sample paper. Symbolic language and rule-based reasoning, truth teller, liar logic puzzles, that has come in DSC and it was given in the sample paper of Ashoka. They are heavily influenced by the ISI and the DSC past papers. So it's important for you to understand that ISI and DSC papers will be extremely important for Ashoka. Okay. So, in order to give you clarity, we will cover basically, as I said, the difficulty of the Ashoka paper I've already established. Okay. I'll also tell you what the paper analysis of Ashoka sample tells us, how uh, to basically manage the last few days, what to revise, what not to revise, how to choose mathematics or economics. You are going to choose economics, not to choose mathematics, attempting the paper, how to use these final few days. And today I'm not obviously here to scare you, but I'm here to make sure that you do not waste these last 4 days that you have. Okay. So that's what I have said. Very important part, please read the instructions. It seems like there is no negative marking. Okay. So, which is amazing. So, marking the correct answer is again very important in order to score well, right? So negative नहीं है तो randomly guess मत करिए, even if you are sure of a particular concept. Please derive the answer. हर जगह random guesswork नहीं करना है. Okay. अगर ending में आपके पास में time ही नहीं है, please don't leave 10 questions. तब just do random guesswork and finish it. Right. Now, something very, very important. Some of the students were asking me how good is Ashoka. Now, for me, each and every one of you have to take Ashoka examination very seriously. Some students think Ashoka is just a backup compared to ISI and DSC. That is the wrong mindset. There have been students who have said that Ashoka is possibly a very good place to go, even if you want to go abroad for a PhD, if you want to um, if you want a very strong academic environment for economics. It is especially very relevant if you are interested in research, higher studies, policy, quantitative economics, PhD pathways. Ashoka is very, very important if you have these in your mind. Okay. Ashoka also mentioned research opportunities with faculties, professor-led research assistants, a second year research component, a career development office, and higher education support for students applying for PhDs. So this is not just one more college option. For the right student, Ashoka can be an academic launchpad. And that is exactly why the exam deserves a lot of respect. Okay. A lot of you have also said that Ashoka is very expensive. We'll also talk about that. Okay. Um, but before that, we'll get into paper analysis. Okay. Let's get into paper analysis intelligence. So, so erase कर देते हैं. We have analyzed the Ashoka paper, and you are going to do the statistics and the reasoning and the eco part. Okay. Um, so what are you supposed to do in the final 4 days? I'll list it down, but very um, briefly, let me tell you what are you going to set as a priority list in the final 4 days. Statistics and probability, analytical and logical reasoning. Um, okay. You will have to then get into the eco part on one of the days, where you will basically do in microeconomics, you will focus more on consumer behavior, lexicographic, local non-satiation, welfare. Okay, these are important areas. Okay, exactly on each day आपको क्या करना है, I'll just get to that very soon. Few things that you have to revise. Statistics and probability जो मैंने आपको बोला, few things that is a must revise for your paper are the following: mean median mode, variance, standard deviation, basic probability, conditional, Bayes theorem, random variable expectation and variance, binomial distribution, normal distribution, uniform, joint distribution basics, sampling, confidence interval, hypothesis testing basics. So these are areas which you must revise. Statistics is compulsory and very high priority. Do not revise stats like a formula dictionary. Use this method. Revise one concept, solve 2 to 3 questions, check mistakes, move on to the next concept. For example, if you revise, say, conditional probability, solve conditional probability questions immediately. If you revise Bayes theorem, solve Bayes questions immediately. If you revise expectation, solve expectation questions immediately. Ashoka style statistics is not formula memory, it is interpretation and solving. Okay. Now, coming to analytical and logical reasoning, what are you supposed to do? I'm putting that now. Formal logic, negation, equivalence, contrapositive, argument weakening, rule-based reasoning, symbolic language reasoning, truth teller, case making, and elimination. These are a few different types of reasoning that I have seen in the Ashoka papers in the past. Reasoning is compulsory. If it does not require economics background, but it does require you to read in a very calm manner. Do not assume extra information. Write small cases, use tables, eliminate options. And if one reasoning questions is eating time, just mark it and move. Okay. Reasoning is not a place to, again, have your ego. Okay. Now, मैथ और इकोनॉमिक्स, अगर आप मैथ्स बैकग्राउंड या कोई और बैकग्राउंड से हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, देन आई गिव यू द लिबर्टी टू चूज मैथ इफ यू वांट, but you have prepared for ISI and the other examinations, you should choose eco. But do not choose based on fear. Do not choose based on what your friend is doing. Do not choose based on which section sounds more scoring. If you choose math, you should be comfortable with functions, limits, calculus. linear algebra, constraint optimization, and mathematical reasoning. You need to be confident of that. If you choose economics, you should be comfortable with the following. Um, Let me put it there. Limits, calculus, linear algebra, constraint optimization, mathematical reasoning. If you choose economics, you have to be comfortable with both micro and macro. Ashoka Micro can go deeper than CUET, obviously. Preferences, utility, local non-satiation, welfare, consumer theory, producer, monopoly, general equilibrium, intuition, these matter the most. In macro, it's ISLM and SKM, which forms the major chunk. Um, Now, how to attempt the paper? Attempting the paper में आते हैं. Attempting the paper. Attempt the paper in 4 rounds. Round 1, attempt only the short questions. Solve first, build marks and confidence. ठीक है. सबसे पहले तो पूरे पेपर को एनालाइज करेंगे. राउंड 1 में आइडेंटिफाई द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, डू देम फर्स्ट. राउंड 2 में मीडियम क्वेश्चंस, अटेम्प्ट इफ मेथड इज विजिबल. राउंड 3, डिफिकल्ट और डाउटफुल क्वेश्चंस. use elimination, logic approximation and option checking. Remaining blanks, if no negative marking is confirmed, fill the remaining answers at the end. ठीक है. So this is how you will attempt the entire Ashoka paper. So no negative marking does not mean careless attempts. It means no blank answers at the end. Start with sure questions, medium, then doubtful with elimination. And only at the end fill the remaining blanks if no negative marking is confirmed. Okay. Do not spend 10 minutes on one ego question. Your goal is not to prove that you can solve every question. Your goal is to maximize your score. ठीक है. Okay. Now I'll get to day plan. आज क्या करना है, कल क्या करना है, परसों क्या करना है, so on. So आज क्या करना है उसमें आते हैं. Let me erase this. First day. Official email and admit card. Admit card and email आ चुका है. Just check it. And check the center instructions. कब पहुंचना है, कब नहीं पहुंचना है, वो अच्छे से ईमेल को देख लीजिए. अच्छे से दिया हुआ है ऑल इंस्ट्रक्शंस. ठीक है. सीबीटी का इंस्ट्रक्शंस को देख लीजिए. कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट, दैट इज सीपीडी. सीबीटी. मैथ या इको आज ही डिसाइड करके खत्म करना है. मैथ करेंगे आप या इको इन दी ऑप्शनल. 3 बकेट लिस्ट बनाएंगे. एक होगा शॉर्ट टॉपिक्स, एक होगा वीक बट फिक्सेबल टॉपिक्स, और थर्ड होगा लीव और लो प्रायोरिटी टॉपिक्स. प्लीज कोई हाई प्रायोरिटी टॉपिक को लीव मत कर दीजिएगा. ओके. और आज क्या करना है, रिवाइज कोर स्टैटिस्टिक फॉर्मूलाज. और आज क्या करना है, सॉल्व स्टैटिस्टिक्स के एंड ऑप्शनल एरिया के मिक्स्ड क्वेश्चंस। कितने क्वेश्चंस करने हैं? 25 क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। 25 क्वेश्चंस आज आपको करने हैं जो स्टेटिस्टिक्स एंड ऑप्शनल एरिया में मिक्स्ड हो। तो सपोजिंग इकोनॉमिक्स आपका ऑप्शनल एरिया है, तो स्टेटिस्टिक्स एंड इकोनॉमिक्स मिलजुल के 25 क्वेश्चंस आपको आज अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। एंड मेक अ रिमाइंडर शीट। ओके, कि क्या चीज आपको डेफिनेटली नहीं भूलना है व्हेन इट कम्स टू एग्जाम, कि क्या प्रिंट आउट्स और लेने, एंड रिमाइंडर शीट में सारे फॉर्मूलाज एंड इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स भी आपको लिखना है। ये हो गया आज का आपका काम। कल, टुमारो, टुमारो इज स्टेटिस्टिक्स एंड रीजनिंग डे। स्टेटिस्टिक्स एंड रीजनिंग डे में आपको क्या करना है, कौन से टॉपिक्स करने हैं? मैं लिख देता हूं। इट बिकम्स, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। प्रोबेबिलिटी बेसिक्स, ये कल करना है आपको। कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड बेस थ्योरम, रैंडम वेरिएबल्स, एक्सपेक्टेशन वेरिएंस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल, हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग। दो तीन रीजनिंग के सेट्स करने हैं अच्छे से। वन टाइम्ड मिक्स्ड प्रैक्टिस ब्लॉक दोनों के बीच में, स्टेटिस्टिक्स एंड रीजनिंग का मिक्स्ड प्रैक्टिस ब्लॉक, अगेन 25 क्वेश्चंस। एंड रिव्यू द एरर्स। ठीक है, ये कल करना है। Now, I'm assuming that you are choosing economics. So, day after tomorrow क्या करना है? चलो ठीक है, दोनों आपको दिखाते हैं। डे आफ्टर टुमारो आपको क्या करना है? इफ यू चूज मैथमेटिक्स, इफ यू चूज इकोनॉमिक्स, कोई कोई बात नहीं। इफ यू चूज इकोनॉमिक्स, प्रेफरेंसेस एंड यूटिलिटी, कंज्यूमर प्रोड्यूसर थ्योरी, perfect competition, monopoly and price discrimination, welfare economics, externality, macro basics like national income accounting, Keynesian मॉडल, ISLM, ADF, सोलो, मनी एंड इन्फ्लेशन। ओके, ये आपको करना है 15th को। 17th को एग्जाम है, 15th को ये करना है, 2 days बिफोर। ऑप्शनल एरिया मैथमेटिक्स अगर आप लोग चुन रहे हो तो फंक्शंस, लिमिट्स, कंटिन्यूटी, डिफरेंशिएशन, इंटीग्रेशन, सिंगल एंड मल्टी वेरिएबल कैलकुलस, लीनियर अलजेब्रा, कांस्टेंट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, बेसिक सेट थ्योरी एंड लॉजिक, ये एरियाज आए हैं इन द पास्ट। तो ये मैथमेटिक्स के एरिया के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके, दिस इज अबाउट डे आफ्टर टुमारो और 2 days बिफोर द एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन। नाउ, 1 day बिफोर द एग्जामिनेशन, लाइट सैंपल पेपर प्रैक्टिस। अशोका के 3 सैंपल पेपर्स हैं। सैंपल पेपर का प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, रिव्यू, फाइनल, रिमाइंडर शीट। कुछ भी बचा हुआ है तो उसको खत्म करेंगे। फाइनलाइज अटेम्प्ट ऑर्डर, पहले कौन सा सेक्शन को अटेम्प्ट करेंगे। नाउ, प्रिपेयर एडमिट कार्ड, आपको आईडी कैरी करना है। स्टेशनरी जो लेकर जाना है इन द एग्जामिनेशन, and logistics to reach the examination center. ठीक है? Recheck your center and reporting time. Examination is from 11:30. Reporting time क्या है आपके सेंटर पे? Is it 10:30? Is it 11:45? Just take a look at that. One day before the examination, avoid heavy new content. And most important thing that you have to do one day before the examination is sleep properly. ये करना है एक दिन बिफोर द एग्जामिनेशन. अब एग्जामिनेशन के दिन वेक अप अर्ली. कम से कम एग्जामिनेशन 11:30 बजे, 7 o'clock से लेट नहीं उठना है. ईट समथिंग familiar. Don't eat aloo puri in the morning. Gas will make your examination bad and the others next to you also. Okay. Reach the center early. In Calcutta, the center I think is the Newtown School, one of the centers, if not the only center. So just reach the center early. Avoid panic. Groups. There are multiple groups जो बोलते रहेंगे अरे तुमने ये पढ़ाई किया वो पढ़ाई किया. पैनिक ग्रुप्स, पैनिक स्टूडेंट्स से दूर रहिए. ओके. एग्जाम पेपर आया, स्कैन द एग्जाम पेपर फर्स्ट. श्योर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट. ओके. एलिमिनेशन को अच्छे से यूज करिए. डिफिकल्ट पेपर्स में यूजिंग एलिमिनेशन बिकम्स दैट मच मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. फाइनल इंस्ट्रक्शन को अच्छे से पढ़िएगा. मेक श्योर दैट इट इज रिटन नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग. Okay, look for this. No negative marking. Leave knowing you attempted intelligently. Okay. तो एग्जामिनेशन में 2.5 घंटा उस तरीके से एग्जामिनेशन देना है with full concentration, and you will leave the examination hall knowing that you attempted the paper intelligently. ठीक है. इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स. 17th को पेपर है. The decision or the offers that Ashoka will give out is expected on 17th June. Important, no interview in this cycle. Entrance is the most important criteria for getting admission. Okay. There is a wait list. About 45 to 50 people are there, but there is no hard cap. There have been 70-80 people also in the cohort. Wait list hai. नो डिफरल पॉलिसी, नो एज लिमिट. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये साल में अगर आपने क्लियर कर लिया, 1 साल के बाद में 27 में मैं ज्वाइन करूंगा सर, वो नहीं हो सकता. नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर आपको वापस देना पड़ेगा. सो नो डिफरल पॉलिसी इज देयर. समथिंग विच इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग which I would want to talk to you about. This is quite a big misconception which is very important to be cleared. There are great scholarships to be had in Ashoka. Okay. Need based scholarships हैं. 17th को रिजल्ट निकलेगा. You have time till the 24th of June in order to apply for scholarships. Okay. Ashoka has officially mentioned approximately 44% of all the students at the Ashoka campus have got some sort of aid or scholarship. That's a very big number. So don't take the 8 lakh, 7 lakh figure as what you have to go as an outgo. Scholarship is offered on need based and not merit based. 25% tuition waiver to full waiver covering tuition, residence, and as well as the meal costs. That is the range of scholarships. Okay. Um, Ashoka mentioned that approximately 720 crores they have already spent on scholarships. So if applying for scholarships, acceptance fee deadline may be extended until the scholarship decision is shared. Okay. So 17th को result आते ही if you want to apply for scholarship, please apply immediately. हरियाणा से अगर आप हैं तो 25% ट्यूशन वेवर आपको एनी विच वेज मिलता है, बट यू विल हैव टू प्रूव योर हरियाणा रेसिडेंट्स. आपका आधार कार्ड अगर हरियाणा से है देन यू विल गेट इट. ओके. सो अप टू 100% scholarships are available. The need based scholarships will continue for both the years, not just the 1 year. Okay. दोनों साल के लिए अप्लाई होता है अनलेस स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन्ड. स्कॉलरशिप के लिए क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए ये बाद का बात है, बट आई जस्ट कीप इट इन योर हेड. आई हैव मेड अ लिस्ट विच बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. आपके पर्सनल एंड फैमिली डिटेल्स, एजुकेशन, अर्निंग मेंबर्स के डिटेल्स, बिजनेस प्रोफेशनल डिटेल्स, लेटेस्ट आईटीआर और इनकम प्रूफ, सैलरी स्लिप्स, बैंक स्टेटमेंट्स, मूवेबल एंड इमूवेबल एसेट्स, fixed expenses. Comments may explaining the financial need. If family does not file ITR, income certificate may be needed. Parents should be involved because financial documents and income details are required for scholarship. So your parents have to get involved in the scholarship process. ठीक है. But scholarship के लिए definitely apply. So many of you were saying कि sir the fees is very high, unaffordable. अगर unaffordable है they'll give you a scholarship. Okay. Program and career options. It has two programs. एक है 2 साल का MA Economics, एक है 1 साल का MA Economics and Data Analytics. The 1 year MA Economics and Data Analytics is only for those who have the 3+1 year in your graduation. Students interested in research should compare the curriculum of the two very carefully. अगर आपने 3 साल ही किया तब तो 2 साल का आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. अगर आपने 4 साल का किया then you have these two options. Okay. There is a career development office at Ashoka which is supporting placements and internships. Higher education office or support helps students applying for PhD and further studies. So एक तो career development office है which is your placement cell, और एक है higher education office which helps you for your PhDs and research abroad. रिसर्च अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपको अशोका के प्रोफेसर्स के साथ भी मिलता है. एंड इफ यू टेक अ लुक एट द अशोका professors and their backgrounds, they are extremely impressive. So you can consider that as well. The second year has a research component. Research ideas may be developed with the faculty support. Internships are not mandatory. There are internships option also available after the first year. रेसिडेंशियल अकोमोडेशन इज एडवाइजेबल क्योंकि सिटी से काफी बाहर है, सोनेपत में है. Delhi residents are allowed to commute, but daily commute to Sonepat can be very rigorous. So residential Lena is more advisable. ठीक है. So this is what I wanted to share. So before we end, remember this clearly. Ashoka 17th मई को है. 4 दिन है आपके पास में. Ashoka's own webinar made it clear that the entrance is extremely important. Our paper analysis makes another thing very, very clear. कि Ashoka is a depth oriented examination. So don't waste these final days chasing everything. Focus on statistics, reasoning, and your chosen section, which for the majority of you will be economics. Okay. There is no interview in this cycle. The exam is center based and computer based. Ashoka said there is currently no negative marking, but always follow the final official instructions. Your job now is not to become a new student. मैंने ये आपको multiple times बोला है. You have to become a stable student. So no random panic, no random comparison, no random new material, and no ego questions. Ego को लेकर एक ही question पे पड़े रहना, ये नहीं करना है. Scan the entire paper first. Easy questions first, medium questions next, and use elimination. If there is no negative marking confirmed, एक भी क्वेश्चन को छोड़ के नहीं आना है. सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करके आने हैं. एंड इफ द पेपर लुक्स टफ इन द बिगिनिंग, डोंट कोलैप्स. टेल योरसेल्फ, माय क्वेश्चन इज समवेयर इन दिस पेपर, आई जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड इट. Ashoka is a very serious opportunity. Respect the examination, respect your preparation, and protect your mind and execute in a very calm manner. Okay. So just follow that, and I wish you all the best for the Ashoka exam, which is there in 4 days. Just get into the groove, study hard, and I know that it is possible. Okay.